Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Want to Stay. Today in this video, let's learn about how to log in to WhatsApp. So let's get started. At first, let's go to WhatsApp app. So now we need to enter our phone number. Now click on next. Now we need to continue to verify. Allow the phone call. So the verification is completed. Now click on continue. You can allow the contacts here and allow audio in the devices and photos and videos. And since you have already signed up before, you can get the backups. So you can give the permission or skip it. Now type your name here. Now click on next. So now you are logged in to your WhatsApp. So this is it. This is how you can log into WhatsApp. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.